Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be talking about number lines in math. And number lines are really helpful. Not only can they help us find numbers and figure out which numbers are bigger or smaller, later on we're going to learn how to use number lines to help us add and subtract. It's another strategy. So you know how catching and counting on, or using a picture, or writing a number sentence, those are all strategies. Number lines are another strategy that you can use. Now, you need to go get your manipulatives if you haven't already. You need a printable number line. This is a PDF, or like me, you could have drawn your own number line if you can't print it. And then you need two different tokens. So I said red and blue. If you have something that's pretty close, maybe you've got two different colored markers. Maybe you've got like a red and or an orange and a blue, that would work too, but you need two things that you can put along your number line to mark numbers, okay? If you don't have those, pause the video and go and get them. All right, we're ready to go. So take your blue counter, your blue token, and I would like you to find the number 6. I want you to put your token above the number 6 on the number line. So if I'm looking, I start at 0, and then I'm gonna make 6 jumps on my number line. So watch, they're like froggy jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I end up right there. And if you look underneath, that's a 6 underneath. So I can do it by doing froggy jumps from 0 all the way to my number, or I can just look at the number underneath and go right to it that way. Okay, let's take the red token and let's put it on number 3. So you can either look for the number 3 on the bottom, or you can start at the 0 and do 3 jumps. 1, 2, 3. There. So you should have your blue on 6 and your red on 3. Now, here's a really tough question. Which number is bigger? Which is the greater number? Well, number lines are really cool because if we go further this way to the right, anything that's further this way, it's going to be getting bigger as we go this way, bigger as we go this way. Guess what happens when we go down the other way, this way? As we go this way down our number line, we're going to be getting smaller, 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 smaller. So to the left is smaller, to the right is bigger. So if I have a red one here and a blue one here, which number is bigger? Yeah, the one that's further down the number line, this way. So my blue one is going to be bigger. If we wanted to check that with a picture, we could. So if I was going to draw 6 squares or 6 X's, and then I was going to draw 3 of them, which has more X's? This one has more X's. It's bigger, right? So the further we go along this way, we know that our number is bigger. All right, take those 2 off, and let's try to find some more numbers on the number line. All right, let's find a blue 8. So can you find 8 on your number line? Remember, you can look for the 8 on the bottom, or start at the 0 and count 8 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Look at mine, look at yours. Do they look the same? Your blue should be on top of the 8. Now we're going to take the red one and we're going to find 9 with the red one. Ooh. So you can look at the numbers on the bottom and find the 9, or you can count from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There, take a look at mine, take a look at yours. They should look the same. Now look, my 8 is blue, my 9 is red. Which one is bigger? Remember, the further along the number line, the bigger it is. So who's further along the number line? The red one. So 9 is my bigger number. All right, let's do it one more time. Let's find 0 with blue. So find your 0. You can look at the numbers on the bottom, or start at 0 and do 0 jumps. No jumps. There's my 0. And find 10 on your number line. So look at the numbers on the bottom. Whoop, there's 10. Or start at 0 and do 10 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at mine. Look at yours. You should have blue over 0 and red over 10. Which number is bigger? Which number is further down the number line? Blue? No. Red? Yeah. Red is further down the number line. So red is bigger. Now, in the song that you listened to, you saw that there was arrows on both sides of the number line. That's important because do numbers stop at 10? No, I can keep going. 11, 12, 13, 14. So this number line keeps going and going and going, even though I'm only showing up to 10. And if you're really clever, and in a couple of years, you'll learn this when you're in junior high school, the number line even goes past 0. It keeps going that way into negative numbers. Very exciting. So that's why we put the arrows there. We don't need to worry about those numbers that are less than 0 or bigger than 10 right now, but they do exist. So that's why we put an arrow at the end of our number line.